Hello friends, myself Narayan Sangre. Today we are going to perform the simulation of the multi-copter and also do the log analysis. So firstly we can connect our simulation to the SITL. First we can select the multi-copter stable version and it's downloading SITL software. So it take few time to download the SITL. We can wait up to the download is. We can make a plan up to its completion of the download. Wait. So SITL are going to connect here. It take bit time. Yeah, it is completed. So here we can in plan we can make a plan for our home area location. They are having four waypoint. First we can take as a takeoff. Sorry, we can take off and last point means 4 point is our RTL means return to launch here. And here is an option to the right. We can simply write the plan. It's completed. Then it comes on data. Here our plan are we can see here. Yeah, here is our plan. So here in the actions we can arm the drone. Course arm. One rejected by Mavlink. I think it's Mavlink error, so we can retry it or something. It's armed. Here we can click on take off. Here use the altitude 15 and OK. So currently it's on guided mode. So we can change the flight mode guided to the auto from here. After taking its maximum altitude, it can be follow the our path. So here we can zoom the yeah. So here click on auto flight mode. Now it's up to 30 altitude. 31 is. After getting 15 altitude, it started to the follow the waypoint. Yeah, it's near to complete. Yeah, now it's started the drone to. Yeah, after getting the their maximum altitude, our drone is started to follow the waypoint. So firstly started 1 2 second. We can wait up to the complete that simulation, and after we can perform the log file analysis from here. It's near to complete. Now our simulation is completed. So from here, here is our RTL points. So this can be reduced their altitude from here. So wait up to simply we can click and so drone is back landing. After completing our simulation, here we can see the flight log from here. Yeah, wait up to the completion. Then we click on the data flash log and see the data log from here. So simulation completed. Now we can see the data flash logs. Click on the options. Here we can click on download data flash log. Here we can see the latest one. Our latest is this one. Yeah. So click on that and download data logs. So take the time to the log file is downloaded. Now we can see our log file in our download folder. This we see download. Here is the home viewpoint. Then here is a file we have downloaded recently. Open it. After opening that file, they are having some graphical representation, and here is a different parameter of our drone. We can observe here the AHR2 is there, ARM is there. So click on that ATT having the roll, pitch, and EI parameter is there. So we can observe here simply the blue is for the yaw and green is for the green is for pitch and red is roll. So here we can observe the things how the value bar changes EI to the pitch. Same way they are having the different other parameter was there. ESC parameter was there. After I check here the parameter, we click on that ESC parameter. Here is not value because we are performing the multi-copter simulation on simulator. So they are having the GPS parameter was also here. So GPS also here not showing any data. Likewise, they are having the mode parameter was there. So thank you guys.